Hey guys, it's your buddy Caden and welcome to this week's vlog. So for the past week I've been dealing with a cold, but now I'm just out getting over it. But there were some things that I was limited with this week since I was just chilling at home the majority of this week, laying in bed. But we did still get to do some things in this week's vlog, so let's jump right into things. So guys, right now we are at the pool. I'm about to get in. Here we go. A little cold, but hopefully it'll get better the deeper I go in.
Get in, boy. Okay.
What's up, Nick? Give me Nick. How you gonna do me like that? So you hear me? Talk, Nick. 3, 2, 1. Go under the water, something.
That back came off. So sorry.
You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm tired. All aboard.
You ready?
Yeah. You gotta hold your nose.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Are you good over there?
When I turn that way, you turn. I'm really Caden.
Yeah.
You're trying to give me vertigo.
I'm gonna get dizzy before I get you dizzy.
Why you act like you cold?
I got low body fat. Low body fat percentile. What's going on, Caden?
Hello there, man.
I get to do an interview on your brand new camera.
Sure.
What you want to interview me about?
How does it feel having such a handsome son?
Well, it feels pretty awesome. And you want me to tell you why it feels pretty awesome?
Why?
Because he looks just like me.
That's a good one, Father.
I'm going here and interview with Moochie.
What question would you like to ask her?
Moochie, how does it feel being the cutest, most beautiful child?
Well, if I have to answer, it's
Wait.
great. I can use it.
Are you saying I'm not cute or beautiful?
You handsome, buddy. She beautiful.
I can use it to my advantage
Uh-oh. How you gonna use it to your advantage?
to get what I want.
Uh-oh. What you want? Your daddy get you whatever you want. What you want?
She's talking about using it with you.
Oh.
See, he don't even know it.
48 laws of attraction. That's all I have to say.
Oh, Mookie used the laws of attraction on me, right?
Okay, so Caden has been sick since Wednesday. It's Saturday. And now I have to do his job because he has orders coming in and he's asleep right now. I don't know if the boxes are already made, what I need to put in them, but I think I'm gonna have to do it myself. Okay, so we have two places that we keep the materials. One is the product closet upstairs. Can you help me out? Like, Caden's been sick. He has orders coming in. It's like noon and he's still asleep. So where's the stuff to put the boxes together?
I don't know. Caden run his own business.
Come with me to the garage. Let's see if we have some boxes. Y'all just put some boxes together the other day.
I don't know what we did with them.
I see them over there.
Let's just grab
but are they full is the question. Is there something in them? I need complete boxes.
I don't know. Just put some stuff in there.
What do you mean stuff?
We got flashcards, we got affirmation cards, we got seasoning, we got kid vitamins, we got a puzzle. Hell, I don't know. They might get a special box this week.
Okay, well, give me an empty one. I'm gonna go to the product closet.
This is a box that I personally put together yesterday.
And see what goes in there.
Here's a flashcard. We just start off with that.
Oh boy. So Dad, tell us what goes in the box.
The financial flashcards, I already put those in there. The little green crinkly paper stuff.
What else?
The calculator.
That was so long ago. That was
They
like
don't put that in there no more?
that was like the very first box.
A pencil. I think it was a little notepad, a little money notepad.
Yeah, you doing good.
It's a book that goes in there.
There's actually 2 books.
Yeah, 2 books go in there.
Which
And
books?
The white one and the green one.
Oh, what are they though?
His 2 bestsellers. And also, if you put an extra $75 in there, you get an autographed picture of his dad. So yeah, that's what go in there. So order yours today.
Which books?
The guide, which is the white book.
That's the green book. The Rich Kid Guide.
No, the other one's like a guide.
It's an activity book.
Same thing.
That's not the same thing.
But the green one is the one where he talked about when that broke teacher told him that speaking in the career, and a couple weeks later he made $25,000.
Babe,
I know that part.
that was the book. I'm not going to argue with you.
Go get all my kids' books. I wrote 44 books. Hell, I can't keep up with books. I wrote 44 of my doggone self.
Okay, you forgot one product, which I need to go get from the garage.
The t-shirt.
No,
That go another.
the puzzle.
Yeah. So here we go. You got 2 books. You got a puzzle. You have a pencil. You have a financial flashcards. It's a rich kid guide, and the activity book. And that's it. You got covered.
Let's go put this box together.
Let's or you?
You're not going to help?
Man, I'm making content.
Sean,
Yes.
Caden is sick and sleep.
Caden still figured out a way to beat me up yesterday. He ain't that sick.
I didn't see that.
I felt it.
Okay, so I found everything I need for the box. Got the box, right? Found the books. Rich Kid Guide, activity book. Put those in. And then I guess we'll do the flashcards. The money notepad. The Rich Kid. CadenTeaches.com. I had a pencil. And the budgeting puzzle. All of those things go inside. And then I found a green crinkle paper. So we're gonna sprinkle that a little bit. Make it look festive and cute. And you know what else I need? something to ship this in. I know he has some custom poly millers. And then I need a label. And we are done. I officially work in Caden Teachers today. I need a paycheck, okay?
So guys, it is Sunday. We are here at Stone Mountain, and we're about to have some fun and do some activities here. So guys, right now we are walking for my mom to get on a zip line.
I tried to get them to come, y'all, but as you see, I'm the only one going. I'm a little bit afraid of heights, but this one don't seem that high, so I think I'll be fine. See, he has all their lights for him.
Rock, paper, scissors. You're not gonna go right here?
Right!
It's actually crazy.
Right!
Look, she don't want to control.
Okay. You don't trust us? You don't trust us? How you in there? You don't trust it? Right, but you don't trust us?
Huh?
Gonna be flying on this?
Not a reward or
It's okay, don't even worry about it. Why you not trying to go?
I don't like stuff like this.
Stuff like
You don't
what?
know that yet.
You ain't even did this enough to say you don't like it.
Somebody got to stick around and tell the story.
But there's two of y'all.
He's not gonna tell it accurately.
How you doing?
You're
Good.
not
I'm
gonna tell
gonna have you stand behind that green harness, face the lake.
Okay.
You're gonna stand behind that blue one. Perfect. How y'all doing? Good, good.
Put on.
I'm back with y'all.
There we going.
Somebody gonna have to go. Rock, paper, scissors, something.
Ready? Ready?
Like y'all do it to each other. Whoever loses has to go.
I gotta go.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's get your horn. Go ahead.
No, I gotta go.
Speak for everybody. We got it.
So first, Mother had to go through something called ground school, which is where they teach you all the basics before she could go through with everything.
Zip away! Zip clear! I forgot how she said to turn around.
So listen, guys. Kate and I, we're staying on the ground. Somebody got to be here to tell the story. So Tara's up there. She's on obstacle number 2 now out of a 10 obstacle course. So let's see how this goes.
Zip away. Zip away. It's fine.
If it was to break, we hit the water.
Right. At least that's the safest place to be, right? If it did.
Get away.
Here we go over the water. Okay. I did. I'm just talking to myself.
It has a little bit of strike.
I couldn't remember how to make this slow turn, like sort of turn.
Always just off the flag and twist.
Fun.
Well, guys, Mother had a fun time on the zip line, but that wraps up this week's vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember, if Caden can, you can too.